Alright, let's see how much of a piece of crap this is. This is the elevator at Bloomingdale's Fashion Valley Mall. And there's copyrighted music on this floor, so I can't really listen to the motor. Here it is. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go down to L. Here we are down at L. Let's go up to U. Where did you that? 1996. Here we are at U. That nameplate right there makes me think this was something else. Here's your cab view. There are mirrors everywhere. So I can really only show you the car operating panel, or COP. Here's the inspection certificate, 2,500 pound capacity. Where is it? Oh well. Let's go up to M. Let me show you how far the elevator back is. Look at this. Look at this. There's the sign for the elevator. And there's the rest of the store. It took me a very long time to find this elevator. That's it.